Hey babes, welcome back to the channel. So I'm back today with another video, and in today's video I'm featuring Unice hair from Amazon. Big shout out to Unice for sponsoring this video. So let's get into this look. So today I have another V-part. This is the Jerry Curly Ombre Chestnut Brown V-part wig. I have this in 24 inches, and this one has the drawstring in the nape area. So this is the Easi Contour upgraded V-part. So I wanted to install this a little different. I need to give the middle center part a rest. So as you can see, I shifted this to a side part. Also, instead of wetting my hair down and blending it with this texture, and instead of crocheting it for the no leave out method, I decided to curl my hair to blend with this hair. So right here, I'm just installing the clips, and then I will secure the drawstring and the nape clip. And then I'm going to comb through these curls so I can get a perfect start for curling this hair. So this is where I secure the drawstring, and then you just take the string and tuck it under. That last part where I pull out hair in the nape area, that is optional. You don't have to do that, especially if you're not wearing your hair up. So here I'm using a brush and I'm just combing this out. My goal is just trying to get it more like an afro look. That way when I start curling, everything blends together really well. So the curling iron that I'm using, it's actually a wand curler. This is the Styler chopstick curling iron. I'll have everything that I use in this video linked in the description box, so if you're interested, check the description box for all the links, including the link to this wig. So here I'm just using some bonding oil, and I'm using that as a heat protectant for my leave out, because although we are switching up the part, I still want to protect my leave out. So here I'm just pulling sections of the hair, medium to small sections, and I'm going to take that and I'm going to wand everything in the same direction. I basically wanded everything going back, and I use this on 410 degrees. That's why I was sure to use heat protectant. So this hair is 24 inches, but because the curls are so tight, it is going to look a lot shorter as I curl through the whole head. But at the end, I will tease and pull some of these curls out, also to fluff it, because I do like that really big look, but I also wanted to get some of the length back. So now I am finishing up and it is coming together. I thought this look was really cute. It looks really natural. Here I'm using some edge control and I'm just slicking down my edges to the side of the part. And then I'm just going to pull and fluff the curls until I like the way it looks. Now it is optional. You can trim the ends. But depending on how you plan on wearing it when you reinstall it or throughout like the entire time, I wouldn't trim it because then you're not, I would trim it when it's straight or when it's in the natural texture, because at this point while everything is curled up, it's not going to be even once everything starts to drop. And this is the final look. I'm going to give you a 360. I love this color. It's very subtle, but it's really pretty. It's perfect for any season. And as you can see, this blends really well. So all the links will be in the description box in case you are interested. All the products that I use will be down below. Big thank you to Unice Hair, and I will see you in the next video.